Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and my still stained right index finger. I don't want to hear about it. My sister-in-law asked me yesterday when I was doing her nails, why have you got one yellow nail? Shut up, Lisa. Alright, here are the beautiful colors. So my friend Evie with the Nail Junkie, you probably recognize her little label there, makes these herself individually and professionally in her shop. These are the dips and acrylics they use in their shop. She is a licensed nail tech. Now she doesn't have her storefront up yet, but you can purchase these privately. You just message her on her Facebook group and I'll put the link down below for that. You always want to make sure you shake your dips and acrylics up so the pigments are mixed evenly. These are some beautiful colors, and as you'll see in a minute, they all glow in the dark. Now I am not going to swatch these individually for you. I'm just going to show you them, charge them up with my little flashlight so you can see how they glow. If you want to see complete swatches, go check out one of her brand ambassadors or Evie's channel. I'll put all the links to everyone down below. They have discount codes, the ambassadors do, and they are Mae with Mae Nail Designs, Princess Nails by Diana, and Beauty Bee Nails. They are amazing at acrylics. They are so good with doing acrylic nails, and it has been literally like close to 30 years since I did acrylics in the shop, and I was terrible at it. I hated it. I couldn't stand the smell of the monomer, so I don't do acrylics. I do use these as dips. I put them over tips and, you know, still do some people's nails, but I don't work in a shop anymore. So I went ahead and did one coat of white dip as a base, because under any kind of neon or glow, a white base always makes it pop more. And then I am going to do one coat of Tiffany's Corner on the rest of my nails, because I do want a soft glow over all of them, but then I'm going to use the other three colors to marble. Now the ladies all have discount codes, and I think if you use their codes 7 times, if somebody uses their codes, then they're going to have a giveaway. So be watching their channels for that if you don't watch them already. Now these are so finely milled that they're almost powder. The Tiffany's Corner is a little more like a traditional dip as far as kind of a sandy texture. This is just some touch-up nail or touch-up hair color dish I had. It makes the perfect dipping dish, and I put clear in the bottom of it, just clear dip, so that I could get these to flow like I wanted them. So as you see, I just put a little bit of each on top of this clear, and the only reason I use the clear is so that I'm not using so much of my colors to dip and to make a flow of a marble. I am using just gel that has to be cured in a lamp base coat to use as a dip liquid. You absolutely can use regular resin dip liquids or a monomer if you want to do an acrylic nail. And I think you could really do this technique with a monomer and a brush. So one of you ladies need to try it and show us. Challenge, can you do it? I mean, I think you could just put this in there, put the monomer on your brush and pick up beads like you would normally, and it be marbled. Maybe I'm wrong. Like I said, been a really long time since I did it. I sucked at it too. I'm just, I shook that all down into the clear and then added a little bit more just because I wanted to do another design. It doesn't take very much at all. So just the 2 little scoops I put in would do all 10 nails. And each time you shake it down a little bit and dip a nail, it makes a different design, so it's so cool. See how you shake it down? It makes a more of a flowing. Dipping your thumb is awkward on camera, okay? Give me a break. Right, I'm going to show you. There they are. Doesn't it look cool? I love this. Now, I cut my finger a couple weeks ago. It's still like gnarly. It doesn't hurt anything. It just looks bad. All right, you see what I mean by the glowing all over? And now we're going to pull out this new plate, and it is Embrace the Dark Side 01 from Hit the Bottle. It is a Halloween plate, but it has such cool like Art Deco patterns on it, is why I bought it. And yes, those are unicorn skeletons right there. And you could only get this in the polish pickup. Nah, 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 nah. That's probably mean. I'm sorry, but I keep telling you, gotta go to polish pickup. And it is actually today, October 4th, I don't know, first Friday of every month. You can get exclusive polishes, just the newest, coolest things. Now I reached out to Michelle with Hit the Bottle, and she said she's in Australia, and she said in the UK you can order from her site and get this plate. She's not sure if it will be getting to like Lantern and Wren in the United States or not this year. But I absolutely love this plate. Such cool things you can do with this year round. All right, you guys, that's it. I really love them glowing. They're so cool. All right, go check out Evie and her dips / acrylics. And now watch my hot, sexy husband playing Frisbee with the dog.
It's a butterfly. There. Ready? Oh, oh. Turn up. Ready?
Oh, not falling for that. Oh, yeah, she is.
Danny. Here it comes. Ready?
Aw.
She says, okay. Game time.
No, she never stops wanting to play Frisbee. Drop it. Okay, right there, so she'll catch it. He threw it at her feet. Nope. Throw it again.
You gotta go further away than that. That's cheap.
You cheat.
Alright.
You're such a good girl, Penny. No, we don't do that. Just sit there and be nice.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.